What's up, guys? This is G Garage, and this is part 2 of me disassembling the HN Honda Civic interior. Alright, guys, so I took out the center console, and whenever I first initially was going to do this, I realized that the carpet really didn't go too far underneath the center console. I didn't have to take it out. But I saw on YouTube that this connects, and then this carpet goes underneath, and it connects over the ECU. So I thought I was gonna have to rip out the center console, but I guess I didn't have to, because it looks like somebody been in here before, and they already cut the carpet right here and right here. Oh wait, here goes the other piece. And they cut it, this flap right here. So what I'm gonna do is, so next time I don't have to do this, I can see where the center console will lay on the carpet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut right here, and then the same thing for this side. That line right there is where the center console goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this little piece off right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this flap off right here, and then cut it a little bit more. So next time, whenever I rip out the carpet, I want to clean it. I don't have to rip out the center console, but the center console is pretty dirty right here, and then it's pretty grimy on this side. Then it's pretty dirty all right here, so it's actually a good thing I took out the center console. And then this right here, same thing, it's pretty dirty all up in there. So it's actually a good thing I took out the center console. So what I'm gonna do is, before I take out the back seats, I'm gonna go ahead and trim this up just a little bit more. So we go ahead and start doing that. Alright guys, so an update. So I took off this piece right here, and I took off that, and then I took off that piece that goes over the ECU. That took off that little piece right there. So now I need to take off the gas pedal, and then I can go ahead and rip out the front carpet right here, and then I need to take out the back seats and these plastics right here, and then it should be good to rip out the carpet. Because it's old. Then I didn't realize, but now this piece of the carpet right here goes underneath all of this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut along here, because really you're not even gonna see this piece of carpet cut, and you're not gonna see underneath the dash. So if I want to take out the carpet next time, just to make it easier, I'll just cut this piece of carpet that goes underneath here. Quick update. So now what I did is, so I didn't realize this from before, I didn't know, but basically the carpet, it goes all the way underneath here. So what I did to make it easier, if I want to rip out the carpet next time, is that big old chunk of carpet right here, just cut it out. So next time if I want to rip out the carpet for any reason, I just have to tuck it underneath this black thing, and it's right here, and it'll be easy just to pull out with the center console stool and the car. And now I gotta take off the gas pedal, these pieces, that piece, and this back seat, and the carpet should be ready to come out. TV. What the hell is she doing with the TV? Well, I can't do that right now, so hold on. This is gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video, and thank you for watching and subscribe.